another boarding house vlog, but this is just gonna be another boarding house vlog. And thanks for the subscribers, by the way. We're doing really well with subscribers. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm having a lot of fun doing these videos. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy this video. Sorry, say that again. Okay, Eilish is a vlogger as well. Go show some love. Point up somewhere. Point somewhere. Right, Eilish, she reviews food. So if you like food reviews, go and check out Eilish's YouTube channel. Yo, what do you want to say to the vlog?
I'm famous.
You're not famous.
I'm famous now. You're not putting that in your vlog.
Yeah.
No, you're not. No.
Yes, I am. Like this. Hey guys. No, not like that. Alright guys, welcome back to one of my vlogs. Thanks for the subscribers and everything. It means so much. I think we're on. Well, we're on.
Well, stop fiddling with your thing.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're on 83 subscribers now, isn't that right?
Yeah.
So that means so much to me, and we're actually so close to 100 subscribers, which would be amazing. So yeah, go show some love to Eilish's YouTube. I'll put it right here. And you should go and subscribe to her if you like food reviews and stuff, because she goes and reviews like ice cream and stuff like that. She's looking at me really funny. Walker's crisps and sweets. Yo, come sit here. You can be in it.
That's just her excuse to eat food.
This is Yo-Yo. Lean back a bit. Alright, what do you want to say?
Nothing really.
Alright.
I'm in this
Has anyone
vlog.
seen a red book that looks like this?
It's in your hand.
Yeah, it's in your.
Another version.
No, don't know. Sorry, you're kind of interrupting our kind of thing here.
Oh, I'm sorry, this is a public area.
Right. Oh God, someone's there. Hey, Yo-Yo, where are you going?
Waters in the periods.
Alright. Well, you can't say that in my vlog. Alright, yeah, so if you want to see a review on something like this, like a pear, then just go to her YouTube channel, isn't that right? And she'll do an amazing review on it. She's learning currently how to vlog and everything.
Yeah,
So go show
so
her
my mum basically
some love.
went to like when we went in today. She was
Oh,
like,
look,
they're
I'm
not
focused.
doing anything at the moment. Like,
Look,
just,
you-
they're not benefiting her. Yeah. Like,
Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog.
I'm Layla. This is my Snapchat and this is my Instagram.
I'll just point
Bit
out
of
there.
self-promo. You told me to.
You can't point out there. Look.
Okay, this is my Instagram and this is my Snapchat. Hit me up.
Oh, Dad.
Right, say it's no to the vlog except for my hate Caden.
Well, I said fuck you, Caden, last time, but I hate him as well. Today has been a good day. I have been to the doctors.
Explain your day.
Excuse me, Lauren?
I'm waiting.
Explain your
No,
day.
I'll come with you.
So I woke up and I couldn't live because I was a bit ill. So I went home, I saw my grandparents who came from France, and then I went to the doctors, and then they gave me like 3 different medications. And then I had to do some phone calls, and then I went home and I saw my little dogs and my lizards. And then I'm back, and I don't like you.
Oh.
Wow, that really hurt. Alright guys, I'm going down to dinner now, so I'll see you after.
And only no.
Oh, it was such
no
a good
more.
cup of tea as well.
All right.
My G, my G.
All right.
My G.
Sorry.
I'll see you later, mate. Got a friend in me.
Oh. Well, that just fucking spoiled it, didn't it? That was so sick.
Fucking love you.
Today's going to be a bit of a shorter vlog because I was meant to film earlier but I forgot my camera and I didn't really get much footage today. So not a lot's going to happen today in today's vlog, but I'm going to go to prep, edit my vlog and then put it up tonight. Alright, and then tomorrow I'll be uploading a vlog as well. I think I might do daily vlogging in the weeks. Weekends I'll take it as a break.